tell you about our project Smart Aggregator. As we all know, farming and agriculture are two trades which was born with civilization and will never lose its significance. From the inception of the human race, we depend on agriculture and farming to produce our food. Still, now we do. With the evolution of science, farming methodology has also evolved a lot. And throughout history, scientific and technological advances have greatly impacted the agriculture industry. With the advancement of technology nowadays, farmers are getting great benefit from different apps, websites developed for them. So our proposed project is also based on the welfare of the farmers. Our main motive behind developing this project was to provide all the basic information required for cultivating a crop to the farmers.
Okay, so now just let me brief you through the problem statement of the project. We are all aware that majority of the small and medium-sized farmers in India are directly dependent on a successful crop ratio. Their only source of income is farming, and that too they have to wait for the good cultivation of the crop, and only after that they get a chance to sell their product in the market and earn some bucks of money, that too with very little profit or almost no profit. Also, crop failure is one of the huge problems in India, and India is suffering with it from many years. And these failures result in the very severe outcomes for the farmers, and especially those farmers who just started farming and have taken huge loans from the bank are suffering a lot. The most basic reason resulting in this situation, apart from the weather condition, is lack of knowledge about agriculture and lack of awareness about technological advancement. Now, due to all these factors, farmer suicidal rate in India is constantly increasing, and that is the main problem that we have to solve.
So, one question which we all had before developing this app was that how our app can be used for social welfare, like helping those sections of society which is too far from technology and don't have any idea regarding the available facilities for them. They are completely unaware about the role of these technologies in their work and don't have any clue that what is going on in the digital world. So keeping all these questions in our mind, we thought of developing such an app for farmers that don't have easy access to such knowledge. So through this app, we just wanted to spread some positivity among the farmers by making them understand the interrelation between yields and agricultural parameters through technology. Our objective in this app was just to reduce the gap between the farmers and digital world. So we decided to anyhow make them completely aware about all these technologies available for them.
Okay, so now I will tell you about the importance of our project. As we all know that agriculture is the basis of human civilization. So we emphasize on providing the basic information of farming activities, machineries, etc. Because any kind of decision to carry out agricultural activities should be supported by knowledge and skills. Secondly, we know that government take a number of decisions in supporting the farmers. So we will be linking our application with various government websites. By that, government can track the records of farmers and can help them in marketing their produces. If any farmer need any kind of help from the government, then they can directly contact to the government through our application.
So now I will tell you about the tools and technologies we have used in our project. We have used basic knowledge of Java Swing, basic understanding in NetBeans IDE, and some XML concept. We have also used SQL for database connectivity of our project.
Okay, so let me tell you about the features of our project. We assured you that the crop failure will reduce to a larger extent after using our application. Secondly, as we have linked our application to the agriculture websites of government so that the farmer can resolve their doubt regarding agriculture issues from the government. Third and the last important feature of our application is that the application provides farmer the best possible way to grow a crop without using chemical fertilizers.
Hello friends, I am Sahil and today I am going to tell you how to use our app Smart Agrigator. In this project, you have to register with us and then you will receive your login ID and password in your email address. So after you have logged in, you will see a display like this. In this you have a logout button and the about us button. After that you can see the main 4 features of our project. First of the feature is the crop predictor. In this you have to take a small sample of your soil and you have to go to your nearest government center where you can test that sample. So you will receive a report in which you will get the nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium values. You have to enter that there. Let us assume that I got a report and the values in my report are about 900 for nitrogen, 645 for phosphorus, and for potassium it's quite low, for example 83. So the best crop which will suit my soil type is onion based on the NPK values. Second feature is machinery on rent. You can rent the machineries like tractor or a harvester. We will provide the details in this area only. Third of the feature is you can get to know about the various government schemes like the Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana, and you can also call on the number that is displayed in your app to know more about that scheme. Fourth feature is all crop information. You can see various crop in this window. So like for example, you want to know about rice. You can basically click on that. You will get all the information about rice, that rainfall it requires, soil type, temperature, water level. You can also search the bar, like I want to know about cotton. So I can search and I will get the information about cotton. So this is all about our project and then you can log out. Thank you.
Now talking about the results. Due to modernization in agricultural practices, efficiency in farming increased a lot. Each acre of land got actually the right amount of seed, water and other required nutrients needed for it. This technology resulted in increment of productivity in farming, as our app is strictly against the use of chemicals in agricultural practices and fertilizers. So this resulted in improvement of agricultural ecosystem.
Now finally coming towards the conclusion of our project. This is to help the farmers in best possible way by creating a user-friendly platform. Technology will really be a game changer for the farmers in terms of yield improvement. So it's our role to minimize the gap between farmers and technology. Also, our future work will be to bring this project to iOS and Android platforms to reach out to more people.
अरे दोस्तों, वीडियो तो खत्म हो गई, अब कोरोना फैला हुआ है, हाथ सैनिटाइज नहीं करोगे?
सुन मेरी बात।
Go, 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 go,